Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Pivy/Ian Does It All. Today we're doing a yarn haul, which I haven't done in a very long time. So I'm very excited, and this is my Halloween yarn from Premier Yarns. This is my first time ordering from Premier, first time ever using Premier Yarns. So I'm really excited. I do have some of the Premier that they sell at Dollar Tree, but I've never actually used it. I just have collected it thus far. So, I'm very excited to use this. So, here's the box. Just a small, subtle box. And I'm going to be pulling yarn out of it and showing you guys. Just slicing this open. I should have done this before, but it's just like so much fun to do. Okie dokie. Oh, yes, this is fun. Oh, it's not as bright as I thought it would be. Oh, man. Okay, so first I have my Stitch Please, and this is in the color Margarita. Let me see if I can open this bag without completely destroying it. It looks really bright green, like acid green in the picture. I don't think I can do it. Yeah, we're just gonna rip it open. But it's a lot more subdued than that. Definitely more of like a lime kind of color. Very soft. So let's see fiber content. So this is superwash worsted. This is 220 yards or 200 meters. 3.5 ounces or 100 grams, and this is 100% superwash wool. It's a medium for weight, and again, the name is Stitch Please. So, yeah, maybe it's my glasses are dirty. Yeah, I mean, it's still pretty bright. I think it'll do the job, but I really bought it because I thought it was gonna be like bright green. So, a little bit of a bummer, but not the end of the world. I only bought one, so that's okay. So next I have two of the Premier Basics Multi, and this I thought worked up beautifully. See, that's how it's supposed to open. Okay, I still ripped the bag, so whatever. Oh, this is so soft. Is it soft? I don't know. So here is the color. The color is called Harvest, and let's read about her. So medium for weight, worsted, 245 yards or 224 meters, 5 ounces, 140 grams, and 100% acrylic. So these are the colors. They're beautiful for fall, and I saw like a worked up patch on the site, and it was beautiful. So I got 2 skeins of that. Next, I got 2 skeins of the color Grapevine. This doesn't seem as like Halloween as it did on the website, but when worked up it looks really gorgeous and has all these beautiful fall colors. Hopefully you can see that. I don't know how good my color is, but it's beautiful. It's very soft. This is the Premier Basics Mosaic, and yeah, I mean, it looks like it'll work. I don't know. I'm really bad at reviewing yarn, so hope you weren't here for that. Next, I have spun colors. I got 2 cakes of this. They wrap the hell out of these things, which is good. Oh, I just ripped the tag. Oh, please. I'll just get the one that's not ripped. So this is 65% acrylic, 35% fine superwash merino. It is 410 yards per cake, which is 384 meters. It's 7 ounces or 200 grams. So again, this is spun colors, and the color is autumn. Is that not freaking beautiful? I needed some variegated yarn, which is why I needed these, because I felt like they would give my project some personality. I definitely ordered some solids, but wanted to have a good variety of variegated yarn. Okay. Oh, I get a little invoice, which is always nice. Yep, it's my invoice. Okay, so I got, I thought I got 3. Maybe not. Huh. Oops. Maybe I just got 2 of these puzzle yarns. This is the color Sudoku. I wanted something kind of gray and black and spooky, and this was the perfect mission for that. So this is very soft. I'm digging the feel of it already. Okay, so this is the color Sudoku. It's gray and black. It looks green on camera. I don't know why, because that's black. But see, my camera's just not picking up colors right. So it's 100% acrylic. It is Premier Puzzle. It is 328 yards or 300 meters. It is 7 ounces or 200 grams. It is a number 5 bulky. And I think that's it. I mean, that is just, it's so beautiful. I didn't actually know it was a number 5. I thought it was a number 4. But it being a number 5 bulky makes me even more happy because I love working with bulky weight yarn. So we'll put that right there. Next I got, so this is Premier Basics, and this is in the color black. Nothing too exciting there. Oh, they put my extra black in here. I was like, I ordered 4. I don't know why. And then this is the color, I think it's just purple, but let me check. Yep, it's purple. So I got 2 purple. I got 2 of the color Goldfish, which is a nice bright pumpkin orange. I'm running out of room here. Oh, what a problem. What a problem to have indeed. And then this is the color Spring Green. So nice spooky green. So now I'm going to take these, put these back in here, and then get out the rest of the yarn. There's not that much more, but there's a little bit more. So I got these 3 colors, and they are all in the, so actually this is the anti-pilling, Premier Anti-Pilling Everyday Worsted. It is 180 yards, 165 meters, 3.5 ounces or 100 grams, and it's 100% anti-pilling acrylic. I just love the color. I had to get it. It looks a little pink, but it is very bright orange. And then I got 2 colors of 2 of each of Eversoft in the color lime green. So this is definitely the green that I was going for. And I heard this is a lot like Simply Soft. So I didn't bother getting colors that I knew I could get in Simply Soft. And then this is the color purple. It's a nice purple color. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I'm not the best yarn reviewer, and, um, you know, I hope you didn't subscribe for that, because that's not what you're getting. But this is my Halloween haul, and I am getting one more. I think I'm gonna get two skeins of this ice yarn that I want, and I think it's cheapest to get it through Amazon. I looked at Yarn Paradise, I looked on Amazon, and then I looked on Ice Yarn, and shipping really is the problem, really is the difference between all three. And with shipping and just getting those balls of yarn, it's cheapest to get it on Amazon, and it is this like black and gray, but then it has this bright green in it, and I cannot wait for that. That is going to be so amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this yarn haul. I am in love with that. Oh my god. And I'm a little disappointed in this green. It's just not as like, it's more like pea soup than it is like bright green. I feel like I was lied to. So, Premiere, I'm kind of a little annoyed with that, but whatever. It's just one ball, and experimenting never hurt nobody. So, I also love that. Oh god, that's pretty. And then the grapevine is so gorgeous too. So, tell me which one's your favorite. I really want to hear, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. So, I will see you later, and I love you guys very much. Bye.